Good morning. Welcome to the Shepard Elementary Newscast.
Today is Friday, September 16, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stand to join me in a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Friday, September 16, 2022, breakfast and lunch. Breakfast, pizza, yogurt, juice, and milk. Lunch, Crispitos, black beans, corn, juice, and fruit. Friday's weather. High temp of 91, low of 68, 5% of rain, mostly sunny.
Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Grades. Please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an update electronic copy each week just in case. Please continue sending the envelopes with the prize codes to the office in your snack bag. Prizes will be delivered soon. Today's late duty, Miss Tompkins.
Important dates. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th, end of the first quarter. October 10th, no school. It's Teacher Work Day.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday birthdays. Jordan Felton, Kaylin, Anthony, and Raven. Happy birthday!
Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? I always wondered how something works. Send us your question and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy Friday.